our channel. I'm Lala.
And I am Mimi. And today we are doing a first impressions video. Today we're doing sort of a first impressions video. And it is on the Boxycharm. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a
monthly subscription of $20 and inside $21. Sorry. And you get around
4 to 5, I think, full-sized products.
4 to 5 full-sized products.
So I decided to finally subscribe to my channel.
Before she leaves, subscribe.
So I decided to subscribe to Boxycharm, and I don't know if that's what you call it, subscribe, right? If you could put in my subscription, I don't know. I have been for Ipsy bag for the last year and some months, a little bit over a year. And although I like it very much, it is very sample sized and it is only $10. So maybe I will do a comparison between products that I've gotten for Ipsy versus products that I've gotten for Boxycharm. But it arrived today, so we thought that we would open it together. So if you want to see what's in the Boxycharm March, I mean, you've probably seen a lot because March is almost over.
But you haven't seen our box.
But you haven't seen our box.
Exactly. Let's get it.
Okay, so this is the vacation, which I totally love. We need a vacation, girl.
Yes, we do.
Okay, so we have the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush 111 Prim Vixen blush, and it's 6 grams, and it looks like this. I love the packaging.
So pretty.
Because we love like everything gold and ornate. Yes. How do you? Okay. It is a very bright
color.
It's very bright, not
we should
necessarily.
swatch it in each other's because we have different skin tones.
I mean, obviously, hopefully you wouldn't be putting on this amount of blush, but I actually like how it looks on your skin tone because it looks a little bit more muted.
It does. It looks way brighter on hers, like highlighter type of pink. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Whereas in mine, it has more like a violety, deep undertone.
Feel it though, because it does feel pretty nice. I've never tried this brand of makeup, Pretty Vulgar, so
it's very silky.
Definitely. I mean, I'll give it a try. We'll give it a try as blush. Probably would have to go in very light-handed, but I could also use this as eyeshadow, and it would be very pretty. But I do like the packaging. I do have to say it feels very light. Like it looks ornate and gold, but feel it. It's not very heavy at all.
It's very light, yeah. So I applied a little what I had in my finger, just did it really lightly, and I actually like how it turns out.
So very lightly, then yeah.
Then we have the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara.
So actually, I've gotten, if you've watched my videos where I do my makeup, you know that I use the Bella Pure Banana Powder, which was sent to me through the Ipsy bag. So that's really the only product from this company that we've tried and we've liked.
Yeah, we like the banana powder. We're actually wearing it right now under our eyes and to
so yeah, we'll definitely have to see. It says it's a volumizing mascara. Mascara to me is just kind of like we do if we want like drama, we do lashes.
We do this.
Anyways, so.
And for me, the only mascara that works are waterproof, and the only one I use is the Falsies mascara. But again, if I want to have nice eyelashes, I use eyelashes because we have short and mine are straight. So mascaras don't really do much for us, unfortunately. But
we'll let you know if this one works or not. Then we have the South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. So it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes eye area. Honestly, I can't say that I've tried under eye.
Wait, is it a mask?
Yeah, they're like the little ones that
I've tried some, but I don't remember the brand. I think I got it from Walmart though. Oh no, Forever 21, the ones that they have. And they work really well. But
so there you go. Try.
Thank you, Oprah.
Eye mask for you, and eye mask for you, and everybody gets eye masks.
Yes. So next up we have some brushes. So this one's the vintage, cause I said that funny. Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it's a Smokey brush set, eye brush set. And
you can never have enough brushes too. And that is something from the Ipsy bag that I do like receiving. Their brushes are actually some of the ones that I use on my eyes like all the time. Oh, and in the box there's also a step-by-step of how to use it. Really only 3 steps, but oh my gosh, literally. Oh my goodness. Good luck.
It looks like they might be bamboo, I'm not too sure. No.
Okay, so this is cool because on the box it says step by step. 1, use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. And then on the brush, this one says step 1 for the money. So you kind of just know that you use this one to lightly apply a shimmer color. And then 2, pack a darker color on the angled shadow brush and work into the crease of your eyelid and outer corner. So number 2 is,
this one says for the shadow.
Step 2 for the shadow. And then step 3, the smudger brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together, or alternatively, use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and add color to below your lash line.
And this one says, go girl, go!
Run, Forrest, run! So they feel synthetic-y. I mean, this one feels nice, like it would pack on color. And this one's actually pretty soft. Angled brushes are kind of strange for me to, I like them and then I don't like them. So we'd have to see. Yeah. And then this one does seem like a really nice smudger for the bottom lash. So there's your 3, and I like that it has the steps just in case you're a beginner and you don't know what the hell do I do with these. Like me. And then the very last product is the Boxycharm and Pure eyeshadow palette, which is cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and vegan-friendly. It's a 12-piece eyeshadow palette.
12 pieces. Ooh.
Which I will just drop and shatter everywhere because I don't care.
Girl. I care.
Okay. So it feels pretty, I mean, not super heavy, but it feels nice. It's like not carton,
like cardboard, kind of, but like obviously nice.
It has a mirror, which is really nice. Ooh. And the shadows look really nice, really fun. It looks like it has 2 matte shadows. This one, Perfect and BFF, are the only matte shadows. The other ones seem to have like these that look like they could be matte, but they're not. They have little tiny specks of some shimmer in them, and then this whole row is like, ba-bam! the shine. So should we swatch some of them? I'm not big on swatches, but I feel like since we're not really going to use them on our eyes right now, maybe we could give it a try. So, model.
What? Yes.
Okay, so which one do you want to see? I want to see how this one.
I want to see the blue.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll do. Okay, so I don't know. I'm not really good at swatches, but oh my goodness. Okay, let me go back to this one a little bit.
Dough. Ooh, yeah.
Okay, so this one looks definitely like it could be buildable because at first it seemed a little bit more pink and then now it seems a little bit closer to here.
Mm-hmm.
I would really love to see this color literally on the lid, but the blue literally is still the same on my finger as it is on her, so that one, and if they feel really nice too. And then we'll just go into like maybe this one. That one is called Alliance. It's a little bit more sheer than I thought. It looks like it's really packed in there, and
yeah, it looks really sheer.
mm-hmm.
Try building it up a little bit.
I think this one's definitely more of a packer, where you would have to pat. I mean, obviously, the way that it performs on here isn't necessarily the way that it would perform on your eyes,
Mm-hmm.
but. And then there's Boxy Black, which is a black. It looks like a jet black, but it has sort of like
shimmer.
What would you call that? It's like halo-y-ish. It throws off like all kinds of rainbow colors. So let's try that one. And then yeah, I'm excited to just. Oh, that's my doorbell. Just kidding. That's my wafer app.
Oh.
So this one looks really nice because it could be used as just a matte, and it just barely has, it looks like it has less shimmer on here than it does on here, but it looks really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, I mean, those are the products from our very first Ipsy bag. Boxycharm. And don't worry, it doesn't matter because it's not sponsored.
And we have both anyway, so we're not, you know.
Yeah. We ain't hating on any of. We're on both teams. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in.
Thank you.
Okay. So thank you for tuning in to our little opening boxes, first impressions, like literally first impression of it, not really applying it. But yeah, we'll definitely play with them, and hopefully you'll see them around in our channel more. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. If we would be so kind as to clicking that like up.
Like up, everyone.
And also subscribing and hitting notification bell so that you could get notified of further videos from the Mimi
and Lala channel.
So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.